Another excellent and quick recipe is sweet rice with cinnamon and strawberry sweet. And we have the rice here. We have to wash it a little bit, then we will boil it into the water, and at the end, when it's almost done, we will add the milk, and also we can add a few drops of sugar, but it's not necessary if you use at the end the sweet, and the cinnamon on the top. You can notice that the small bowl and the spoon are from Malta, so we will use them now. And all the ingredients and the steps we will can be found in the description below. The good part for the rice is that you have to let it boil a little bit, and then if you cover it, it will expand by itself. The rice expanded quite well, and we added cinnamon, and then we can also serve it with some sweet or jam. Enjoy it. This is how it looks in the end. It is delicious, smelling well, and it's a very nice and quick food to do. Enjoy it.